There is a quiet moment after every Kazakh meal. The table is still full, the aroma of tea and bread lingers in the air. The conversation slows down, and laughter fades into calm. Then someone says softly, Bata bereiik, or sometimes ask qaiyraiyk, meaning let's give a blessing. Everyone lifts their hands, palms open to the sky. For a few seconds, there is silence. The word is given to the eldest and wisest person in the room. And then words begin, gentle, rhythmic, sincere. A short prayer, a few lines of gratitude, and when it ends, hands are drawn to the face, a simple motion that seals the blessing, as if collecting all good energy and bringing it home to the heart. That is called Bata. In Kazakh culture, Bata means blessing. It is not only a religious act, it is a way of being, a small ceremony of appreciation that connects the moment to something sacred.